Alright, man, so as y'all boys can see, you feel me, we got the second gen right here. We are back on the head mount. Hopefully this angle perfectly. I ain't used this and it feel like about a year. Let me stop cursing. I haven't used this joint in about a year. So right now, as y'all boys can see, we finna got name going. Head to like Wawa's or something. But y'all boys see, you feel me, we got the second gen right here. Joint looking overly nice, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but let's go ahead and hop in this joint real quick. And heck yeah, bro, smack Wawa's. Hold up, let y'all hit this bad boy. You hear me? Go. Yes, I just took the socks off. Well, not socks, my fault. Yes, I just took my shoes off, twin. Yes. Whew. Dang, this feels so weird, right? I ain't did this in a long time, right? Y'all boys ain't been in this joint, boy, since I had probably a little screen, goddamn it. Oh, no, I had a big screen, but it won't this screen. I had the Chrysler 300 screen in the Charger. Who y'all know? Come on, watch out. All right, so I got my phone on my head, you feel me? Gotta double check. Got my wallet, got my car keys, and shit. Smooth, we chilling. I've been trying to fix this dang on brake light switch. I think I got a faulty one. I'ma hope that's what the problem was, because if it won't, we in for a treat, huh? It feels so weird being able to drive with two hands. See, it's a red light, right? That bitch don't say you can't turn right on red. Y'all see that? It don't say I can't. So that mean that you can, goddammit. God damn! We just started, little twin. We just started. Don't worry. I'm gonna give y'all boys some goddamn pulls, bro. Don't trip. Oh yeah, I gotta, my fault, all my settings and shit are off. So if this shit, the twisting it, I'm gonna try to fix it for y'all, like. And I can see it look like it's crooked right now on my head. I could be wrong, but it definitely look a little crooked. I know the little junk to fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it at this damn red light. But heck yeah though, bro. It's been a little minute, man. I missed y'all boys. Goddamn. So much, boy, been going on in my life, twin. Like, seriously. Like, oh my God. Right now, we downtown, like VCU area. I'm pretty sure y'all just seen that big ass VCU sign. I gotta stop cursing, bro. I gotta get on my family friendly stuff. Like, if I can get into the habit of not cursing again, I'm pretty sure I can pump out videos faster. That'd be my problem. Hey. Sheesh. Y'all see that? Good tint. Thank you. I needed this light right here. But yeah, I've been trying to fix that dang on sensor that be making the check engine light pop up on my car. I was trying to fix it, but man, the way it's looking, I got sold a bad sensor, supposedly. The way it's looking. Either that or my stuff just not calibrated correctly. And then also, I ain't gonna say I kind of detuned my car, but I tuned my car down some. Like shifting wise. So like the same Diablo settings that y'all seen last time, those are not the settings no more. You feel me? I tuned it down some. I hate this damn road right here. I don't know if y'all can see it through like the camera, but like the shifts are so much more like crispier. They not like a boom, 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 like to the next gear. That's what that tune just did. I did it because of that brake light sensor thing. I did a little research. They saying possibly the reason why I'm having that code could possibly be because of that reason. It could either be that, or I genuinely just might need a new one, which is, I mean, well, a new clutch, which is, it's like, all right, bro. But I don't know. Shit, I'm just going with the flow, twin. Hold on, turn y'all boys, goddamn, you hear me? Let y'all get the Whew, god damn, nigga rolls garbage as hell. Y'all boys ain't heard little 5-7 in a minute yet, nigga. It's been a little minute, bro. I would get the tripping out downtown, but I'll say that for another video, bro. Really, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. I need some people to do POVs with, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, cause man, I'm back in that one bag, little twin, and I ain't gonna lie. I need somebody to shoot some damn POVs with me, bro. Like, I can do it dolly, don't get me wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with me doing this shit by myself. Whew. I can definitely do it now. It's just, I know for like y'all and shit, y'all would, dang it, I said I won't go curse. That's on me. I know y'all say y'all wanted to see, like, you know what I mean? So I'm trying, gang, I'm trying. Get y'all boys right. But we can definitely do like little drives like this for sure, bro. This is the first time I done drove without music in a minute though. So like, it's a little crazy. Good little 5-7 on the bros. Good little 5-7. Hold on, wait. Hopefully we can go. Oh yeah, that light green. We good. So look, y'all see it. My fault, y'all. I'm fresh off of goddamn work. But that be little, that be look a little clean, goddamn little twin. That shit raw. I like it. I fuck with it. Goddamn. I said I'm gonna go curse, bro. My fault, y'all. I rock with it though. This shit low key hard. I did it again, but yeah, my joint look decently good. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I got like little shit like this that need to be washed, but like for the main part, it's pretty much good though. Like, it got like the little problems and shit, but like we smooth, we chilling. That nigga funny as hell. I know. Bro, y'all gotta remember, people be looking at me like I'm an alien when they see me with a camera in my hand, bro. Like, he was looking like, what the hell? He even backed up. He gave me space. He was like, go ahead, bro. Do what you go do. Like, I love it, but then it's just like, it's a little, it throws me off sometimes. Like, it mainly throws me off. Let me wind the window up real quick. It mainly throws me off when I haven't picked up the camera in a minute. Like, tonight, you ain't gonna lie, it threw me off a little bit, because I ain't gonna lie, I ain't had a phone sitting on top of my head in a long time, bro. So like, all this feel weird. But if this right here come out perfectly fine, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm back. Like, I don't care what it is. I don't want to hear y'all complaining. No nothing. Like, oh dang, bro, this video wasn't that long, bro. Like, damn, bro, I went to 7-Eleven, bro. Like, just trying to give y'all something, you feel me? Damn. But yeah, though, be back, you feel me? I really wish y'all could see these dang on headlights, bro. But like, my lights are so damn dirty. Yeah, you can definitely tell that it slowed it down a little bit. Well, I ain't gonna say slowed it down, but it made it not as hard, bro. My shift firmness, like, I'm pretty sure I wasn't even doing the POVs around this time, bro. My shift firmness, bro, like, it was slamming into the next gear. It's like a, like, I'll give y'all an example, like a boom, boom, boom. I'm like, damn. But like, I don't think it's supposed to be like that anyway. Like, I think the shit was, it was basically telling me like, I ain't running no boost or nothing right now. So realistically, I shouldn't have even turned that joint up for real. But damn, I should have stopped at that gas station. That would have been a good little spot to chill at. God damn, blinding the heck out of me. But yeah, though, let me turn y'all boys back on probably when I pull up to I don't know. I'm probably just gonna like cut y'all up in pieces just cause I don't want y'all to have it long. You know what I mean? And also I don't want the clip to corrupt. You feel me? So yeah, hold up. Alright, man. And we are back. God dang it. Alright, so right, sounding good. Alright, I gotta chill out here though, cause I ain't gonna lie. Or that wind might be in y'all ear. My fault, gang. Nah, deers be running out the zone, which is so crazy. This don't even look like a spot that deers will come out at, but bro, I definitely have seen them. It should be changing. Oh no, it didn't even change. Nice. It's like the man upstairs is trying to get me through there, John twin. Appreciate that. Good little 5.7. Also, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to, bro, if one of y'all know where I can find one of these or whatever, like, and they ain't waxing, please hold the tax, cause I don't want that shit, bro, if you gonna tax it. Bro, I am trying to find the whole, like, wire harness. I'm talking about, like, from the front of the car to the back, gang. I'm talking about every wire harness you can think of from a 2012 through 2014 RT, a Charger. Bro, I need somebody to help me, bro. I'm trying to find one. Like, bro, you would think like you can go to the junkyards and just pull this. Like, from maybe you gotta catch it. You gotta be fast, bro. And then these type of cars really ain't in the junkyards like that. But it's a few, like, it's like junks that don't let you go in there and pick your own stuff type. You know what I'm talking about? They don't let you go in there and pick your own type of parts or whatever. Those ones, bro, I called them and they have them. Bro, they have the cars. Bro, they have 20s of them. They have the cars and they not trying to let you go and get the stuff off of it, bro. Like, they're saying stuff like, oh, it's made specifically for that car. So 9 times out of 10, we can't do it. Or or they will just straight like just tell you, I ain't gonna lie, gang, we not doing that. I'm like, damn, so y'all don't want no money? Like, I'll pay. Y'all don't want no money? He's like, yeah, well, we'll just most likely just scrap it when we scrap the car. Or like whenever they decide to goddamn going, like, get crazy with the car, bro. Like crush it. They'll just crush the wire harness with the car. I'm like, that has to be the stupidest shit I've ever heard. So serious. It has to be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. But yeah, let me go out here, get this thumbnail for y'all real quick. No bullshit. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. Y'all can't even see them on camera. That's how crazy that look. That's bad, bro. Can I? Nah, it might work. Hold on, man. Hold on, wait, actually, before I do this, let me do some research on this real quick before I end up messing something up I ain't got no business messing up. Hold on, man. Hold on, wait. Let's see, bro. I don't know if y'all can tell, but oh nah, the salt coming off though. We might be smooth. This is just like a temporary clean, bro. Cause damn, I missed that look, bro. I'm sorry, cause this is unacceptable, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, twin. It was gonna make the thumbnail look terrible. I had to. Hold on, y'all. Y'all give me a second, man. There you go. That's the look I missed, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It'll be cool for now. Look, y'all will see. I'm really putting y'all down. Look, and then not only am I putting y'all boys down, hold up. Let me show y'all the charger real quick. Look, y'all boys see it. That joint outside looking nice as hell. On the bros. But yeah, though, man, I want to say I appreciate y'all boys for watching. You know, calm love. Hold up, so y'all can see the headlights. You know I got to, twin. I can't get it right now. I'm moving around too much. But appreciate y'all boys though for watching, man. God dang going. Good little POV drop. I'm trying to drop these joints a little bit more for y'all boys, so don't worry, most definitely on the way, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. And just listen to this joint. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm out this one.